Hey everyone, welcome back to Yogi PC Tube, your go-to place for PC tips, tools, and amazing software deals. Today, I'm reviewing a legit way to get Windows 11 Pro for just $14 and Office 2021 for a huge 62% off. I recently partnered with a site called Keysfan. They offer 100% genuine OEM software keys for Windows, Office, and more at unbelievably low prices. These are legal keys, sourced from wholesale suppliers, and they've got great reviews online. You don't download anything from Keysfan. You always install the official software from Microsoft's website and then use the activation key you buy from Keysfan. Here's the best part. You get exclusive discounts using my codes. Use Yogi50 for 50% off all Windows products. Use Yogi62 for 62% off all Office products. Here are some of the deals you don't want to miss. Windows 11 Pro, $14. Windows 10 Pro, $9. Office 2021 Pro, $34. Office 2019, $25. Windows 11 plus Office 2021 bundle, $46. All links are in the video description. Let me quickly show you how to buy. Click the product link in my description. Choose your software like Windows 11 Pro. Click Add to Cart, click View Cart, enter the discount code, Yogi50 or Yogi62. See the price drop instantly. Complete your order via PayPal or credit card. Once you get the key via email, here's how to activate. Go to Settings, System, Activation. Click Change Product Key. Enter the key and press Next. Boom! Your Windows is now fully activated. Now, I know you're wondering, is this safe and legal? Yes, these are OEM licenses, legal to use, especially for personal builds or upgrading older PCs. Keysfan doesn't make you download anything shady. All software is installed from Microsoft.com. I've tested it myself and it worked perfectly. So if you want to save money and get legit software keys for Windows or Office, check out Keysfan. Link is below. Use my codes Yogi50 and Yogi62 to grab your discounts today. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to Yogi PC Tube, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay secure.